Hello everyone. Today we have iPhone 17 Pro. Customer brought it here for glass replacement. The LCD, the main display is still working fine, only the glass is broken. So I will show you how to remove the glass from this screen for iPhone 17 Pro. So first of all, I removed the frame, the internal frame in the screen. So now I need to insert this cutting wire. So you have to do it like slowly and push it upward. You don't have to put pressure on the main LCD. You can put it little bit down in the glass, but not on the LCD. After we removed the OCA glue, we need to clean the main LCD to make sure there's nothing remaining or any dust. Okay. So now it's time to put the new glass with the OCA. Here we go. so now we'll put it inside the machine. We'll put this one here. So now is the time to check together the LCD. See here, it's perfect. See, it has no any issue. If you need any iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch replacement, we can do it for you. Thank you. Please don't forget to like the video and share this video with anyone who needs this service.